This Lexus 1998 ES300, the relay's making a clicking noise. So the clicking noise seems like it's coming from this fuse, this relay, and this one. So you can hear it clicking from here and here. So first I thought it was the relay was bad, so I took it out. I took this out. And I thought this relay was bad, but it's not, because I switched it with a different one. It still does it. So I mean it's not relay. So I mean it's something else. So where there was I check out the ground for the relay box, see if any corrosion or it didn't cut up. It had everything was good. And first I thought it was some kind of mouse chew up the wire, but it's not, because I opened up everything and here you can see the acorn food, and there's no cut up wire at all. So the only way to make this stop is take the electric battery out, and when you put it back in, it will start again. So basically it took me like 2 hours to figure out what's wrong, and I think it's the ignition switch. So if you put in your key into ignition, so you put in your ignition, it will stop. See it? Even if you put in a screwdriver, it will stop. So more likely, I think something wrong with the ignition. So I'm going to replace it and see what happened.